Are you looking for the best blenders? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blendtec Total Blender Classic 75 ounces. What we like, it's even more powerful than a Vitamix, and it blends faster, too. What to know? It's about as loud as a blender could possibly be. Blendtec refers to itself as the last blender you will ever own, and while that might sound haughty, this writer has personally found it to be true. A past owner of Vitamixes, and a devotee to the brand, I had no interest in a Blendtec when one was gifted to me. Having now owned a Total Classic for 4 years, I can say with confidence I'll never buy a different brand. As for its design brilliance, the blades are dull and powered by a motor that operates at a stunningly fast RPM to pulverize even the toughest ingredients in mere seconds. There is a smoothie setting if you'd like to let the machine run itself, or you can use the manual up and down buttons. This blender will make a creamy smoothie in about half the time of a Vitamix, and you can't hurt yourself cleaning it. Power: 1,560 watts capacity. 75 ounces dimensions. 7-inch DX8. WX 15.5H. Number 2. Ninja Professional 1000 Watt Blender. What we like, it's a less expensive option for a large blender and has higher than average power. What to know? Far from quiet, it also requires a generous helping of liquid for solids to blend. Straightforward and simple to use, this Ninja can power through copious amounts of frozen fruit provided you add a solid amount of liquid to the container along with them. We appreciate how well it purees ingredients and how easy it is to clean. With 3 speeds and a pulse option, this blender offers higher power than conventional blenders but at an entry-level price. It's also great for frozen drinks and crushed ice, both of which it can create quickly. We did find this blender to be significantly noisy, though, so you may not want to use it while anyone in the house is sleeping. Power: 1,000 watts capacity. 72 ounces dimensions. 9.48-inch DX 7.51, WX 17H. Number 3. Vitamix A2500 Smart Blender. What we like, the wide-mouthed container makes it counter-friendly, and the warranty is a full 10 years. What to know? It lacks the program settings of other Vitamix models. Considered the gold standard of high-powered blenders by chefs and health foodies, the Vitamix brand is synonymous with quality. The A2500 model triumphs over some other Vitamixes because its container is shorter and squatter than models that don't easily fit on counters. We love how minimal cleanup is, requiring you only to hand wash the container and lid, as well as the built-in timer for recipes that require precision. This blender is powerful enough that you won't have to worry when your fruits or vegetables have frozen together into clusters. However, you'll want to make sure you don't blend your smoothie for longer than necessary, as its powerful motor will gradually heat whatever is in the pitcher. Power: 1,440 watts capacity. 64 ounces dimensions. 11-inch DX8, WX 17H. Number 4. Ninja Nutribullet Plus Compact Personal Blender. Blending for one. We think this Ninja Nutribullet Plus makes a great choice for those who prefer their smoothies in smaller servings. Its compact, space-saving design makes it ideal for apartment dwellers or folks who don't have a ton of countertop space to work with. Despite its diminutive size, we found that this sturdy little blender packs enough power to pulverize produce both fresh and frozen with ease. To use this blender, simply place your ingredients into the blender cup, making sure to include plenty of liquid, then twist on the blade attachment. Turn the cup upside down, set it atop the blender base and press down on the cup to blend your smoothie to perfection. The Ninja Nutriblender comes with 3 20-ounce blender cups, plus 3 twist-on spout lids so you can take your smoothie with you to enjoy on the go. Power: 900 watts capacity. 20 ounces dimensions. 4.7-inch DX 4.7, WX 13.8H. Number 5. Nutribullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. What we like, it's high-powered for its size, easy to use and quick to clean. What to know? It's not 100% leak-proof. More powerful than both the Magic Bullet and the original Nutribullet, the Nutribullet Pro 900 offers strong smoothie blending power in a convenient package. In our tests, there were no chunky bits left behind in smoothies, and we found it moderately quiet to use. It comes in a dozen vibrant colors, making it an attractive addition to any countertop. With this blender's design, you blend your smoothie directly in the cup. Sippable, tight-sealing lids are included so you can be out the door moments after blending. There are no speed options for this machine to turn it on. You simply push and twist it into place. Our smoothies were fully blended within 60 seconds. Power: 900 watts capacity. 24 ounces dimensions. 7.72-inch dx 12.01, wx 15.94h.